So it's just after 4 on a Sunday. We thought we'd come out and have a look around the Chinatown area. We're going to hit 3 areas here. First up will be Talat Noi. Not too sure what it's going to be like at this time of the day. We've only been here during the day. So Talat Noi over that way. Then we'll hit Song Wat Road that way, and then back that way is Chinatown. So 4:15. We'll have a quick look around Talat Noi and see how that is at this time of the day. It's a nice night. It's 32 degrees, not bad for winter. There's all sorts of knickknacks there. You could pick up something. That's a new coffee shop, isn't it?
Yeah. So, latte 60 baht.
Latte 60 baht, that's my type of price. Nice and cheap, well under 100. Okay, so I didn't think it was going to be very busy being there after 4:30. But it is so busy. It's a really good time to come. Doesn't matter where you go, you've got to watch the motorbikes. Even in places where you don't think they're going to come.
We get running.
Just up here is the famous slow bar chocolate. And the little bambina. Last time we were here, 6 months ago at least, a lot of these places weren't open. So I don't know whether they just open for the high season. But hey, it's very lively, and now we're at 4:45. It's pretty cool up there, intriguing. There's no shortage of places to take photos. I'm wondering if this is the most photographed place or area in Bangkok. This is going to have a nice view over the river. Picking another restaurant. Yeah, you can cut through here.
That's really can't try. Does this get us to the river?
ถ้าญาติโทรไปว่าขอรถฟรีแนนซ์ได้ผมไม่กลายหมดเลยเนี่ยรถที่บอกแล้ว
This It's the Riverview Hotel. You can just go in and head up onto the roof, and there's a nice restaurant up there overlooking the river. It's definitely worth a look. We've eaten lunch up there before. If you remember Pac-Man, you're as old as us. So it must be old. So we've come out on Song Wat Road, but if you've been to Talat Noi before but haven't been there in the last 6 months, then it's definitely worth the visit, because so much has changed and there's so many more little shops and coffee shops. It's changed dramatically in the last 6 months that we were there last, maybe.
Yep.
So yeah, it's definitely worth having a look, even though you've been there before. But now we're on Song Wat Road. Okay, you come to the end of that little alleyway here, and you can sit here and watch the sunset. The only catch is, obviously, you've got to buy a drink from the spot here. So we've been here before. They didn't have the music blasting last time, so yeah, it's definitely pretty cool. And over there, you've got the a Vespa shop there. So if you come during the day, you'll probably get to have a look around in there if you like the Vespas. Oh, well, I expected it to be busy, but definitely not this busy. But it has a real nice feel to it, so it's good to see. Well, we've just sat there for an hour and had a couple of beers, and sorry about the sound there. It's a great spot to sit and watch the boats go past. Definitely worth it. Time now is just 7 o'clock, so next stop is Chinatown. We'll see you there. Sam, we're in Chinatown. It's hard to miss. Okay, I might just walk through and just video as we walk, because some of the sites are interesting. Less talking, more watching. So many people. We're at a standstill. Yep, it's pretty packed. So if you want a lazy afternoon, you sort of start at 4 o'clock and hit Talat Noi for about an hour. You've got to watch the motorbikes. And then Song Wat Road, grab some beers by the river, and then on to Chinatown, where you can grab some dinner. We're actually heading home for dinner, but you can grab some dinner. So we'll end the video here. We're about to get on the MRT at Wat Man Kong at the end of this little street here. It's just over here. So if you enjoyed a little afternoon, Sunday afternoon look around, I recommend heading out. If you've done a day of shopping, then heading out and hit this area for the afternoon. Nice easy, look at this here.
It's just crazy.
Hot flames, you just lean against it by mistake, so you got to watch where you're going. So yeah, if you enjoyed that, then thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya. God, it's mad.